Dear students, today my class is C++ program display prime numbers up to given number. That means if you want to display up to 100 numbers prime numbers, then it will display up to 100 how many prime numbers are there, it will display. Okay, before going to this class, kindly subscribe King Classroom for maths and computer online classes. First this is the logic here. I am giving this display prime numbers. First what is prime number? Prime number means it is divisible by 1 and that number only. That is the prime number. If you take 5 can be divisible by 1 and 5 only. If 2 or 3 or 4, any number can be divided, that means remainder is 0, then it will not a prime number. That is the main motto of the prime number. Now coming to the logic here. Here int main using namespace std display prime numbers up to given number. Int num p means prime check and test prime test. Number means up to number, that means 100. If you take 100, it will display the 100 below 100 prime numbers. Okay, if you take 1000, it will display the 1000 below prime numbers. Okay, now coming to the logic. For loop, int I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to num I plus plus. That means from 1 to number 100, it will check the prime number or not, it will check. Okay, for p is equals to 2, because why we will take the p? If you take 1 already divisible by any number, and p less than I, that means that number. If you take 5 means 5 divisible divided by 5 easily, 4 divided by 4 easily, remainder is 0. So we will not check about 2, 1 and that number. So from 2 to less than that number we have to check. Okay, then p plus plus. This is the another for loop. For loop contains another for loop. If I mod remainder p is equals to 0, that means percentage we will call this as in C++ is remainder. So if I mod p, that means if it is I is 5 mod p means 2 equals to 0 or no? 5 divided by 2 is equals to remainder is 1. So prime test not increased. Okay, then again p plus plus, that is 3 p will be 3. 5 again I is equals to, if it is I checks from 1 2 3 4 like that. Just I am explaining about 5. Okay, 5 and 6 I will explain. 5 divided by 3, again the remainder is 2. So this root is this loop is false, then it will increase the p plus plus, that is 4. 4 less than 5, p means 4 less than I is 5. So 5 remainder p is equals to 1. 1 times 4 1. So p plus plus is not increased. So then 5 plus plus p plus plus, that is equal to 5 plus plus 5 less than 5. That means I contains 5. So 5 less than 5, that is false. So it will goes to if condition. Then prime test is equals to 0. We will take. If it is divisible any number, the increment will be increased. So that prime test is increased. So prime test is equals to 0 means that is not divisible by any number. That means 2 3 4 not divisible by 5. So see out I, that is what is that I, 5 will be displayed. Then later we will check about 6 also we will check. P is equals to, for I plus plus 6, p is equals to 2, p less than I is 2, true. So 6 mod p is equals to 0, true, and 6 3 times remainder is 0. So prime test is increased, that is equal to prime test is 1. Again 4 increased to 3 will be p. So 6 by 3 is also divided, remainder is 0. So prime test already 2 is 1 is there, 2, it will count the 2. So again p plus plus, that is 4, that is equals to 4, that p is equals to 4. I am writing here p is equals to 4. Then it will go to the if condition. The if condition will be 6 mod 4 is equals to how much, is equals to remainder is 2. Then what will happen, p plus plus prime test is equals to already prime test has 2 is there, 2 will not be increased. So again p will be 5, p plus plus this one, p will be 5. Then it will goes to check the condition, this condition p less than or equal to I, that is equal to 5 less than 6, true. Again I 5 6 modulo 5 is equals to 1, that is equals to, this condition is false. Prime test is also 2. Then it will increase this one, the loop will be go to this one, p plus plus will be 6, that is equal to 5 plus 6 modulo 6 is 6, sorry, test condition 6 less than 6 false. Then it will goes to if condition, the loop will be terminated and it will goes to if condition. Then if p prime test is equals to 0, that means prime test already 2 is there, so prime test is equals to 2 equals to 0 false, so it will not display. So 5 will be displayed, 2 will be displayed, 3 will be displayed, 1 will be displayed, 5 will be displayed, 6 will not be displayed because it is not a prime number. So prime test again 0 it will, then it will goes to I plus plus, that is equal to 7, 6 will be increased to 7. Again this loop will be testing each and every number, if it is prime, if it is divisible, if it is not divisible by 2 to that number, less than that number, 2 to less than that number, given number, then the prime numbers will be displayed. Okay, now we run the program. Here run is there. Now we run the program. Here I am entering 1000. Then these are the numbers, prime numbers. Okay, these are the, again I will run here, the output will be like this 1000, and I am giving the enter here. These are the prime numbers. Okay, these are the prime numbers. Thank you. To understand the prime numbers, displaying all prime numbers up to given the number. Thank you. Okay, thank you to complete watch. Now I am showing again the program. This is the program. Watch the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel with your friends. Thank you.